Linking to other sections in a document. If there are sections in the document that reference another section, a link can be inserted to go directly to that referenced section. There are two ways to insert a link. The first is to put the cursor in the section where you want the link to be inserted, then click the Link Manager icon in the editing toolbar. The Link Manager window will appear, with a list of the heading names in the document. Select a heading from the drop-down list, click Save, and a link with the heading name will be inserted into the document. Clicking the link will take you directly to the first section under that heading. The second way is to highlight text in the section. Click the Link Manager icon. This time the highlighted text will show in the name field. Select a heading, click Save, and the highlighted text and heading name will be inserted as a link into the document. When the document numbering is turned on, the heading number will also be inserted. If numbering is turned off, or only heading numbering is turned on, it is only possible to link to the first section underneath the heading. However, if section numbering is turned on, then a link can be inserted to any section in the document. Each section will be listed underneath the heading name. Links can easily be edited or deleted by clicking the link to bring up the properties, then either editing or deleting the link. It can also be removed by deleting the link text. If any links are added or deleted, depending on the user's permission, the sections must be submitted for approval, or approved.